Alright guys, so a little bonus video for you today. Might be posted tomorrow, which would be Wednesday the 3rd. I don't know yet. We'll see how much I want to put a video together today. But I got myself a little care package. It's a little tube of love right here. God, I love big tubes of love. I'll stick it right down in there. I'm telling you. Turn around. I love it. Anytime I get anything cylindrical, I start getting turned on, and knowing who it was from gets me even more turned on. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna get into it. This guy, the guy that sent it to me, I know he likes big round shafts, so this should be exciting. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, look what arrived here. Priority mail from Mr. Pipe Doctor, Mikey Pipes himself. I got myself a little care package. I'm going to send him one too. But let's open this thing up and let's see what we got here. I'm thinking it's probably there's probably a big John Phillips dildo in there. Maybe a maybe a poster of Kamala. I'm thinking probably some pink hair dye. I know he's into that stuff. Probably some bondage stuff. I know this guy real well. Probably probably something real kinky. Probably something that's going to turn me into a liberal, I'm sure. But that's the only way to be as far as he's concerned. I know that. I'm hoping that someday he sees the light and he's going to move down to Florida. So who knows? He might turn into another John Phillips. You just never know. Let's open this bad boy up, see what he's got. All right, let's check out the old Mikey Pipes care package here. Let's see what we got. And I saw him pack this, so I know what's in here. Make it kind of hard to get the poster out of here. Be careful. All right, there we go. We'll do the poster first. Get it out without damaging it. There we go. Oop. I watched him pack this. All right, let's put that stuff aside. All right, we got the Mikey Pipes, Pipe Doctor. If you ain't testing, you're guessing. Signed by the man himself. And this is poster number 68 out of 100, 150. I don't know what it is. Yeah, let's get a better shot of that. I appreciate it, Mike. I really do. Got my Mikey Pipes poster. Thank you, sir. All right, let's see what else we got in here. I'm either going to frame it or just put it up, put some sticky tape on the back. I'm not sure yet. Alright, so I got a Pipe Doctor sticker that's got the QR code on it. I bet you that'll take me right to his website. Thanks, Mike. We have our sticker magnet. Looks like it's probably like a refrigerator magnet for Mr. Mikey Pipes. I don't mind advertising for you. I got plenty of work. Thank you, sir. We have his Hacks Bring Me Stacks sticker. I assume that can go on, I don't know, maybe John Phillips refrigerator, or maybe just pin it on his fucking head. We got Mikey Pipe sticker. If you ain't testing, you're guessing. We got a Jewish Saint Mike sticker. We got a Mikey Pipes Make the Trades Great Again sticker. We're all trying to do that. And then we have another Pipe Doctor sticker with his QR code on it. So, hey, I appreciate it, Mike. I really appreciate it. You know, look at me. I've been doing HVAC my whole life. I don't know how long you've been in it, but I've been doing HVAC now. This will be my 32nd year starting in October, and I enjoy every minute of it, and I'm going to keep doing it. I'm successful doing it, and I appreciate you sending me the care package. I got one coming for you, I guarantee it. I just got to put it together. You know, I don't have a crew to do work for me and get out there in the field, so my time is limited, but I will put something together for you, and I might do better. I might get you one of my awesome sweatshirts, one of my hoodies, and I want you to rock that thing on your channel. Thanks, man.